how to get back a hacked Instagram account. So if you think your Instagram account has been hacked and you want to get it back, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So for that, you have to open up to Google over here and simply tap over the search bar and you have to search for Instagram account hack. You can also see over here. If you search for that, you will be easily able to see this option. Simply tap over the hacked Instagram account Instagram Help Center at the first option and you will be opened up to a browser or the Help Center section. Here are the various options about your hacked Instagram account. You just have to go for, if you think your Instagram account has been hacked, you have to simply tap on the drop down and here is the highlighted letters, which is visit this page. Simply tap over there and you'll be opened up to this section. If you want to continue on your app, then you can also go for open app, otherwise you just can cancel and you can also continue over here. And at the first option there is my account was hacked. Just tap over there and you have to go for next. So here you can see the text box. In this text box you have to enter your username, phone number or email so that they can identify your account. You can enter your username. If you don't know your username, then you just can call your some friends and ask for them to look for your username. And after that, you just can enter over here. And after doing that, simply go for next. And after doing that, you will be opened up to this interface. So here in I can't log in, there are two highlighted sentences, which is recover your Instagram password and your account has been disabled. You just can go for recover your Instagram account over here. And here in this article, they have explained how can you recover your Instagram password, but you just have to scroll and go for no. And you can go for other over here, and by doing that, here is optional option. So in this text box, you just have to type that I think my account has been hacked and I don't have access to my email or phone number. So you just want to recover your Instagram account. You can type and you can just go for submit at the button. And after submitting, after a few hours or few days, Instagram will respond to you and they will help you or guide you through recovering or getting back your hacked Instagram account. So with this simple step, you can get back a hacked Instagram account. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.